Okay, let's look at this artery vein model here. Up here, this is a vein that splits into two. So this is a vein on this side, this is a vein on this side. The one in the middle is an artery. So let's look at the veins first. There are veins in the extremities have these valves. Okay, veins in the extremities have valves. These are a tricuspid valve, just like in the heart. Just like in the heart. Now there are three layers. The outside of this is the tunica externa, is just loose connective tissue. Has a real thin layer of muscle called the tunica media, that's smooth muscle. And then the inside lining is simple squamous epithelium. It's called the endothelial lining. You see it has little red nuclei on all the cells. So pretty simple on that one. Artery has the same three, but it's a little more complex. On the artery, this is the tunica externa here. The tunica media has two parts. This right here, this woven pattern thing, is called the external elastic membrane. It helps the artery to recoil. And then it has a pretty thick, smooth muscle right here. So the tunica media is made up of the external elastic membrane and smooth muscle. The tunica interna is made up of two things also. You can see it right here is kind of brown. This is the internal elastic membrane. You can see it going along the side there. And then the endothelial lining here, which is also simple squamous epithelium. So those are pretty easy to see on this model. You can also tell something else about these, that arteries, since they recoil, the inside lining is going to be wavy like this, wrinkly. Veins don't have a pulse and they don't expand and recoil, so they're going to be nice and smooth on the inside compared to an artery, which is kind of corrugated here, ripply.